Annapolis home prices are up 2.6% year over year. It's Friday, July 12th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Home prices in 21403 actually fell 7.3% year over year, while the other Annapolis zip codes all increased year over year. Resale inventory this week rose again to 148, with another 34 coming soon. 33 hit the market over the past week. 24 homes went under contract in 8 median days since last report. 17 homes sold in 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals rose to 40 at $2,775 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.